Hello everyone, today we will learn how to connect a MySQL database server using Oracle SQL Developer application. We need to download the Oracle MySQL driver, and you can type MySQL driver for SQL Developer. And when you scroll down, you will see the connecting to remote MySQL server from official website. Click on it. And you will see the jar file download link. Click and download. And now you can click the tools and preferences. And you can type third-party JDBC drivers. And there is no driver here. Click on add entry and find your downloads folder, and you can see the MySQL connector Java. Select and OK. Click on the plus button and you can see the MySQL option here. And you can give the whatever name you want and give the credentials, and also you need to give the host name, and you need to choose a database. I will use one of them and test the connection. And after that, you can see the databases and tables. Let's check the connection. And run the query. As you can see, it's running successfully. Thank you for watching. See you next time.